What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an in-depth video on how the 5-liter sounds with SPD high flow cats in Corsa Extreme. I didn't want to end the video off without talking about the one negative that this exhaust setup did pick up. But before we do that, one final romp. Good gracious. So the one negative is the tone change is a lot more apparent when going into cylinder deactivation now, because the overall exhaust is louder. No brainer. Take a listen. So you can hear it. It gets a lot more choppy. And at cruising on normal roads where it's like 60 and under, no big deal. It's not loud enough to actually get on my nerves. But when you're cruising down the interstate 70 plus, your RPMs are closer to 2,000. And so the exhaust is pretty loud, and you definitely can tell when it swaps in and out. And so that's really the only negative that I have experienced. I mean, look at it. 18.5 MPGs over the last 80 miles. After all the romping and everything that we've done, this thing is out of control. There is no drone whatsoever. It can be quiet, as you hear. We're at 1,300 RPMs, give or take, at 50 miles an hour. It's just a tiny little exhaust note back there. And then when you get on it, it freaking screams and rips, and I love it. So SPD, high flow catted wide pipe, Corsa Extreme. It went from like a 4 to like a solid 8, 9 to me. It sounds super, super good, and it is so much better. I guess other than the cylinder deactivation tone change, negative, the price. It is very expensive for this combo. But if you want to have a no tune required, very good sounding exhaust that has driven absolutely amazing, no hiccups, nothing, no check engine lights, anything like that, bolt on a high flow catted wide pipe, Corsa Extreme, let it rip.